students, in the previous class we started our chapter control and coordination, and we already completed the control. We started the control and coordination in the plants, and in that class we discussed about the plant hormones. Now here we are discussing the plant movements. Clear? Now I was telling you that the different hormones are responsible to show the different functionings in the plants, and the plants show any of the function by the movement. Clear? Movements of the plants are usually shown by the growth. No, plants cannot move from one place to another. They can only show the movement by the growth. On the basis of this growth, we have the two types of the movements: the growth dependent movement, and the second one is growth independent movement. Here, if the plant growth is independent means it is not showing the direction of the growth, then it is called the nastic movement. And if the direction of the growth is being clear, then we call it the tropic movement. Got it? Now firstly I am going to start here the tropic movement. Let me clear you what is a tropic movement. When due to the stimulus, the plant is showing the movement in some particular direction. Got it? Means the plant is showing the movement in some particular direction. It means it is the tropic movement. Got it? If the plant is showing this movement towards the stimulus, then we call it that positive tropis. And if the plant is showing the movement opposite to the stimulus, then we call it the negative tropis. There we normally in the environment we have the 5 common types of the stimulus. Clear? On the basis of this only we also have the 5 common type of the movement tropis. Understood? The first stimulus is the light, and if the plant is responding to the light, then it is called phototropis. If the second one is the gravity, if plant is responding to the gravity, movement is showing according to the gravity, then it is called geotropis. The third one is chemical, and if the movement is according to the chemical, then we call it chemotropis. The next one is water. If the plant is showing movement towards the water, then it is called hydrotropis. And the last one is touch, means the plant is showing the movement towards the touch of any of the plant, then it is called the thigmotropis. Now firstly we will start here the phototropis. Phototropis, I already explained you that the movement of the plant part towards the light, means in response to the light. Here the stimulus is light, then it is called the phototropis. Now for the movement of the plants need light, and this light is being responding towards by the help of the hormone that is called the auxin hormone. Means if the plant is showing response towards the light, it is very necessary that there should be the presence of the auxin hormones. Understood? Now if the sunlight comes from the, let me clear you with the diagram. Here it is shown, here the diagram. Here the sunlight is I told you that auxin is present at the tip of the plants. Auxin is present at the tip of the roots and the shoots. So if the sunlight is coming straight from the straight direction, then it means the auxin that is present at the tip of the stem, it has been equally distributed in all the parts of the stem. Clear? If there is the equal distribution of auxin in all the parts of the stems will show the straight growth. Got it? Means the stem will directly show the straight growth. Got it? But if the if the sunlight is coming from one direction, for example, it is here in this diagram, the sunlight is coming from the right direction, then it means one more important thing related to the auxin, that auxin prefers to be in the shaded area. Means auxin is very when it is the sunlight, then auxin moves towards the dark area, means where there is the shade, no sunlight is reaching there, it will move at that place. Clear? So here the sunlight is coming from the right side, it means the auxin completely will collect on the left side. You can see in the diagram here the auxin is being collected on the left side. It means that on the left side the auxin is more in comparison to the right side. If it is the auxin is more in the left side, it means the left side will show the more faster growth in comparison to the right side. If the left side will show more faster growth, it means it will bend towards the right. See, you can see here the light stem is bending towards the light. Understood? That's why we say that the auxin is necessary for the phototropis. Got it? Now the next one is geotropis. Geo means gravity. Geo word is related to gravity. When the plant is showing the movements towards the gravity or in response to the gravity, then it is called the geotropes. Understood? Now on the basis of this, we have the two types of the tropes. If the plant is showing the movement towards the gravity, then we call it positive geotropes, and if the plant is showing movement opposite to the gravity, then it's called negative geotropes. Means if the plant is moving if the stem, you know that the stems move towards the roots move towards the gravity, so the roots are positively geotropic, and the stems moves away from the gravity, so they are the negatively geotropic. In the same way, here the stem is moving towards the light, so stem is the positively phototropic and negatively geotropic. Got it? Now let me explain it with the example. Here I had taken one potted plant. Here in the first diagram, it is seen that potted plant is being kept straight. If the potted plant is being kept straight, there is a normal growth of both stem and the root. Stem towards the gravity, towards the light, and roots towards the gravity. Okay, but after but in the second diagram I shown that I kept the pot horizontally, है ना, horizontally it has been placed. So it is seen that the stem and root both are straight parallel to the ground. They are growing straight parallel to the grounds. I kept the plant in the same position for the few days. Clear? After few days, it is been seen that the stems started moving towards the light. Clear? Means showing the positive phototropism, and the roots start moving towards the gravity, means showing the positive geotropes. Understood? This is the movements of the plant. Next other we'll discuss in the other class. Thank you.